Improve your truck's looks and light up the night with your new Anzo headlights in your Ford F-150 pickup. Installation is simple and only takes a couple of hours. These are the tools you'll need to install your Anzo headlights. Start by disconnecting your vehicle's negative battery terminal. Next, remove the body panel clips that connect the radiator shroud. Once the clips are out, remove the radiator shroud and set it aside in a safe place. Remove the 10mm bolts on top of the grille along with the 2 panel clips. Then, remove the 7mm bolts that connect the lower valance to the front bumper. Once these bolts are removed from both sides, pull on the lower valance until it unclips from the bumper and set it aside. Remove the 8mm radiator grille bolts that are located underneath both headlights. Then, remove the 2 connectors on the top side of the grille. Remove the body panel retainer clip that holds the harness from the top side of the grille. Now, lift up on the grille until the bottom clears the rubber mounts and pull straight forward and set the grille aside. Remove the 10mm bolts that hold the factory headlight to the side bumper mount. Remove the 2 10mm bolts on the top of the headlight. Next, remove the body panel clip from the top of the headlight. Then, remove the lower 10mm and 8mm bolts. Unhook the clip on the side to release the headlight from the fender. Separate the headlights from the lower air dam, then pull out on the headlight slowly and remove the factory assembly. Disconnect the 3 factory connectors from the back side of the factory headlight and reinstall them onto your new Anzo headlight. Slide the new Anzo headlight into the factory air dam. Repeat these steps for both sides and reinstall the factory parts following the previous instructions in reverse. Once both headlights are installed, check the function of all the lights on your vehicle. Before driving your car on the road, aim your new Anzo headlights using your factory manual or watch our Aiming Your Anzo Headlights video. Don't get left in the dark. Visit AnzoUSA.com to see all of our performance lighting products for your vehicle.